On the game right here. Back at it again with a car show. Look at that guy with that machine gun up there. That look pretty sick, yeah. So yeah, we're doing a car show. I'm gonna set my camera right here. A bit better. She was feeling down, so yeah. So these are the cars right here. That's an off-road car. I think this is a sports car. Yeah. That's my car right there. It's a T20. I don't know what kind of car is this. That's another T20. So yeah, that's a Zentorno. And this is my crew members. Not really. No, why you chose sticky bomb? So yeah. This is a car meetup. Everyone get to hear what I'm saying and shit and follow what I said. So yeah. It's coming today right now. We should do a car race or something like that. Really? So yeah, we're gonna roll out. Hey yo, where are you going? Let's go. Get in their cars. This Fast and Furious, bro. Get in their cars and let's go. Go, go, go. Cops is here. Go, go, go. This is Brazil. Alright, let's go over here. Where should we go? I really don't know where to go. Alright, let's go down here. At least everyone try to park their car in here. Who got cops on them? Call the cops off, bro. Call the cops off. Yeah, we got people coming over here, so yeah. I think we got a full lobby here. My camera is keeping feeling down, down, down. Oh, he just died. We're going somewhere else. There's too much cops here. That car got impounded. Alright guys, we're going somewhere else. Let's go over here. No, let's go right here. Come right here. We're going in the back right here. My car kind of messed up, so yeah. We got people coming over here, so yeah. We got a lot of people coming over here, yeah. That's a good gift card right there. So yeah, this is the car. We got new people over here, new cars. We got how much people over here? Two, four. We got six, seven person over here. Hey, don't kill one another here. Don't kill one another. Why, bro? Stop. Oh, he got me again. I shouldn't snipe. He's the boss man. The boss man. The boss man. Yeah. I'm trying to say that in, not in patois, I'm trying to say that in English. So that's why I was repeating. It's the boss man. Oh, we're gonna get over there. Oh. Everyone get their cars. Get your cars. He's in passive mode. Alright, let's go, bro. Let's go. He's gonna blow us up. Probably, yeah. I get your cars, bro. Let's go. Where we gonna go next? I think there's a parking lot up here somewhere. How long is this video for? Oh, he finally leave. The guy leave. Hey, yo, let's do a race up here. Let's do a race. Hey, let's all get your cars. Everyone move from the Viper. The guy gonna blow his car up. Oh, really? The car flipped over and hit him. Alright, guys, we're gonna end the car show right here. So yeah, I hope you enjoy.